Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Plus Size in Canada. My name is Miranda and I'm so happy that you are here with me today. Today's kind of a big day, okay? In small town Canada here in New Brunswick, we have something we like to call community days. And you're about to enjoy it with us. We are gonna go to some yard sales. There's going to be a parade and even tonight, fireworks. Fireworks. There's gonna be bouncy castles to play on. There's gonna be friends all over the place. All the village people will be out. Yes, even those YMCA guys. Actually, we will actually have almost every one of those costumes. Maybe all of them, I don't know. Definitely some safety vests, definitely some police presence, and is firefighter one of them? Because they're going to be there too, but not my firefighters. Actually, today, my two firefighters, Curtis and Skylar, are away at baseball provincials, but the littlest half of this family really wanted to be here for all the festivities. So we split up the family for today only. If Skylar's team makes it another day in the provincial weekend, the tournament, then we will go as a family, all of us together. But for today, we are dividing and conquering, and I bet the entire family will be together tonight for the fireworks. So come with us. It's gonna be a great day, and I'm happy that you're here to spend your time with us. All right, guys, the village has put out a list of all of the homes and businesses and churches and everything that are holding yard sales today. But what we've decided to do first is just cruise around our regular route through the village here and just hit the spots where we think there might be yard sales. It's just about 8 a.m. right now, so we're just getting going. But we will hit up that list when we are running out of places to look. So here we are gonna check out a street that actually one of Winnie's friends live on, because this friend is a little bit taller than Winnie, and it'd be great to maybe find some of her clothes that don't fit her anymore, and they could be Winnie's clothes, maybe some toys that would be fun for Winnie as well. So we're just scouting it out, seeing what the village has to offer today. And this is actually like the only time we've yard saled since the last community days last year, I think. I'm pretty sure. So, oh yeah, I see it when I see her house. There's a bunch of cars there right now. Ooh, baby, let's go. Oh, there's one there too. You got the crew. These look awesome. All right, let's get both. Get both boots. Hi. Cooper, add to my pile. Sorry, Winnie.
5, generally, just as an estimation. These are what size? 5. We just got them. I don't need them. All right, but thank you.
You guys, we got so much stuff at that yard sale. Even got a couple cookies. Heck yeah. All right, another yard sale. Rock and roll, baby.
What we have is
that house right there, 20 McDonald Road. It's where I grew up. The yard sale we were just at, it's right across the street from where I grew up my whole life. My parents moved out of that house. Careful, Winnie. It's okay, we can cross. My parents moved out of that house when Skylar was born, and they lived in a really big house close to the big stop, a big farmhouse. Then they sold that to a company who ended up tearing down the house and putting up a big truck station stop kind of thing. And now they live in another subdivision here in Salisbury. Small town life. This is my friend Katie. She watches the channel. She just had a baby and look how beautiful she is. You go, Katie. Do the damn thing. Only 25 cents. I love it.
The raised one here.
Right.
And when we move, we all have one.
These are Coach winter boots, but they're size 8. Unfortunately, I'm a big old 9. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We got a live one. There's 3 yard sales on this road. Awesome sauce. Got a couple scarves. Got another one.
Oh yeah, that was in there.
I have one at home.
Found this nice Columbia shirt. Cooper size. Mint. I think I'm gonna grab this one for Curtis too.
They're all gonna be $10.
You think?
Yeah.
We found another one. Hello, beautiful girl. That's so cute. Oh, so sweet. Hello, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You're very special. Yeah. What do you think, Mama?
Look at his tail.
I know, so sweet.
Yeah.
If you know, you know. Oh, did you see that ginormous duck?
What?
There's a huge duck. That is one big duck.
Did you try it on? We're gonna get that for Jasper.
No way. Good memories, that's for sure.
Oh, look at this coloring book for you.
I want to have this. You want to have that? Yeah. And a bullet.
We found some cards, but they're Yu-Gi-Oh! We're looking for baseball, basketball. Is that it? Just baseball and basketball? Yeah. Found myself a winter hat, or a toque, as we like to call them here.
Oh, it's cute. The one with the little boy.
Do you like that, Coop? No?
Oh,
Oh, it's a medium. Dang it.
what is it?
Roots.
Oh, it's a good brand.
Yeah, it is. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's got stains on it. That's cool.
That would last. Don't forget, you got your
Yeah, I know. I know.
You gotta save room for that.
Ooh. Joe Fresh. And black tea. Grab that.
All the clothes on there.
Check out this find, you guys. Love it. Alert. I don't know how much they're going to charge us for all that because there's nothing with prices on it, so we'll just have to see.
So you're lucky.
Thank you. That's very pretty. It's so beachy, Wen. Love it. Look at this pile. Unreal. Unbelievable. This is the best, the absolute best yard sailing I've ever done in my whole life. And that's saying something. Like, we yard sale every single summer. That last yard sale, everything that I picked up was a toonie. $2. This is what a toonie is if you're not from Canada. Everything I picked up was a toonie. And we got so much stuff. You guys, I got myself a Vans coat that actually fits me for a toonie. It was probably $100 when I bought it. High fives. I'm so excited.
75. It's 25.
We're about done, but we were driving by this one. And I said, we better stop off there. It looks like they got little girl stuff. So we're gonna come in and take a little look.
Yeah, look, there's a whole bunch.
A whole bunch of poppets.
Whole bunch.
Do your thing, Winnie.
And all these clothes, you fill a bag for $5.
Oh, awesome.
So if there's anything in here, there's a lot of like designer stuff.
Awesome. Found a winter coat. All right, we are now at the flea market here in our small town, and they are having a big sale as well. So we thought we'd pop in and see if there's anything new that we would like to pick up. That's cool. Ooh, Sons of Anarchy. Very cool.
Right there, put it beside, move my thing. Yeah. And just stick it there. Here.
Never played Wii Sports. How insane is it not?
That is so neat. Reminds me of Dr. Quinn. Lorne's store. If you know, you know. Sully! We found some cards. Awesome. Roberto Alomar. I used to have a huge crush on him. Amazing.
Probably still do.
Yeah, I probably would if I saw him.
I know. Good idea. What am I gonna do with my cookies?
Look at this fingerling. A hat on it.
It's a Christmas fingerling. Neat.
That's the one.
Bring back any good memories. Oh my heck. Right here, you guys. Dun, 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 dun,
Pink
dun,
controller.
dun, 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 dun. Okay, these are sexy. Cooper. Sexy, not sexy. A little? Half sexy?
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10? Mid?
Yeah.
Maybe a little above mid? Those are nice, man. I like those. But damn, I do not like $140.
Where are the onions? And smell them.
I know, me too. I don't know where they're coming from. I am gonna buy this one for my best friend. If you don't know, that's Curtis. But we love the Rocky movies, and this would go great in his little corner of all of his fun things. Hey guys, I found the mayor of Salisbury. What's up, Mrs. Rob?
Community Day, Salisbury.
That's
Get
right.
on down. Fireworks tonight, 10 o'clock.
Off the
Parade
hook.
at noon hour. All kinds of great things happening in the
That's
community.
right.
Get on down.
Awesome. Thanks, Rob.
Thank you.
Okay. And if you get too much, like we did.
You made that? That's so cute, Wen. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. That's so cool. It's one of the slap ones, Wen. Is that awesome? Very cool. Winnie's got to fill her scavenger card now. She's playing bingo. We got some stuff from this market. Now we're gonna get some corn.
wanna write your...
We got her scavenger hunt all filled out, and now she gets to go pick a prize. You guys. What? That is so much stuff. I can't wait to share the haul with you. I'm probably going to, well, let's say definitely going to have to do the haul in a totally separate video. I'll do a try-on haul because today is just literally so jam-packed. Normally, I only have to charge my phone halfway through the day. It's 11 and my phone's dying, and the parade starts in about 40 minutes. So I'm gonna put you guys on the charger and I will see you when it is time for the parade. I know I just said I'm not gonna give you a haul, but I am gonna give you a haul of what I picked up at the farmer's market just because it's food and I want to eat it. So we got these green beans and these peas, and gotta be careful with these gems. Strawberries, they look amazing. All of that was $11, so not bad at all. And it's supporting local, so love that. And then I also got some corn on the cob, literally grown up the street. And that was $4 for 6. So a great deal.
What eating Pizza Hut from
And Winnie's eating Pizza Hut. Last night. We're just gonna fuel up. I actually haven't had breakfast yet because coffee, I always have to drink coffee first. And also, we got this giant bag of LOLs. Oh my goodness, there's like one of the big ones too. This is from Winnie's friend's yard sale that we went to.
Look.
She's gorgeous. So we just like, literally this bag was $5 and we thought it was 10, but her dad said it was 5. It says 5 on the bag, the sticker says 10, so we went with the 5. We actually spent quite a bit at that yard sale, but we got so much stuff. So she's gonna go through that. Literally, I have 10 minutes to eat and I need to charge you guys. So today's a great day. It's so much fun. And I gotta call Curtis to see how Skylar's making out. I really wish they were here with us.
She's beautiful. I
She
don't have her.
is beautiful. I love her hair.
Me too.
Sassy. Okay, see you guys at the parade. There's the mayor. Woo! There's the car I took to prom 20 years ago, literally. 20 years ago.
You're going. Do you see that?
Beautiful horsies. There's Macy and her boyfriend Connor. Hey guys, I know you're watching this vlog.
We need some cold beverages.
We're gonna get some faces painted.
Sweaty fox. What are you gonna get now? Are you gonna get your face painted? There we go.
Check it out, Winnie. You look awesome. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
You look so beautiful. I love it. It's getting pretty crazy around here. The inflatables are going up, so of course we're gonna head over there next. guys. We had fun. We are tired. And we just got home. The firefighter boys are still down in the village. This dog's freaking out. I put Beethoven on for him. Turned it way up high, hoping, fingers crossed, that he wouldn't hear the fireworks.
I think he did.
We think he absolutely heard the fireworks because he is going crazy. He's very scared of loud sounds, so I feel kind of bad. We weren't really close to the fireworks at all, but he hears very well. He has good hearing. Anyways, this movie is bringing back a lot of memories, though. I'll tell you that.
It's a fun movie.
Yeah, it really is. Oh my goodness. Anyways, guys, that's it. That's it for the day. And where are we going tomorrow? Magic Mountain. We're gonna have fun on some water slides.
He licked my toe because I put it up
He
there.
licked your
I
toe.
put it up there.
All right, guys. Thanks for
He did it
spending the day
again.
with us. We love you so much. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.